Alright, so this is my master bathroom, which has looked cleaner before, but right now it's looking a little dusty.
Hey everyone, welcome to Clean It with Rana. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning my master bathroom and transforming it into a spa oasis. Please stay tuned until the end of the video because I will do a short tour of my master bathroom and the organization that I have done in there. On this channel, you will find organization, cleaning, and occasional decor videos. So if this interests you, please consider subscribing so you never miss a video. I would like to invite you to prop up your tablet or turn up your television and clean with me. I've been meaning to come in here and actually get all of this done for quite some time, and I just hadn't gotten around to doing it yet. I think that it was most appropriate that I did it around now. At the time of recording this video, I was one day away from celebrating my birthday, and I tend to get what's called birthday blues. It's not like some type of a true real diagnosis, but it is a very real thing that people tend to feel. I'm gonna talk about that a little bit later in the video, so just make sure you stay tuned and I'll mention that. But getting around to the items that I have, so I got this 3-tiered shelf, kind of 3-drawer organizer thing from Home Goods, and then I got the little bin from there as well. I wanted to have like a spa type of wooden straw type look in the room. I was trying to create that here at home, so it would be like my little getaway room for when I needed to just get away from life. In the process of me switching over all of the items that I had in the old brown container to the new one, I realized there were some things that I had that I didn't even really need. Like, I rarely ever use them, and I was just housing way too many things. So I went on and took the time to really just declutter as well as moving things over.
Alright, so far I'm loving it. I seem to have more space, and I still was able to fit the necessities that I needed, but it has more of a kind of, that straw raffia, that spa look. So here you'll see I still have scrunchies and rubber bands and different things here, bobby pins and edge control. And in here I have my various scarves, bonnets, and the conditioning caps, and then wrap strips. And then down here I have my magnetic rollers. All the other ones are in my bathroom cabinet. I will actually do a tour at the end. And then down here I have all of my styling tools, like my blow dryer, my hooded hair dryer, the hooded hair bonnet, and then my mirrors, my steam flat iron, and my regular flat iron. So far, so good.
So out with the old trash can and in with the new raffia trash can. And I'm going to make sure that I link all the products that I can below in the description box. So please be sure to check that as well. So I'm going to take this as an opportunity to talk to you about the birthday blues that I was referring to. It is, like I said, it is not a diagnosis of anything, but it is definitely a feeling that I'm guessing a lot of people feel. I definitely have felt this ever since I was 18. I noticed that whenever it was time for my birthday, I would get just super sad, and I would just feel just some kind of way for like a long time. And I finally started just looking into it to figure out what is going on. There are different reasons. The reasons that I found out about was that some people feel like they are scared to get older because of what that can mean. Ultimately it could lead to death, or maybe because they feel disappointed about their life expectations not being met. Or even some people actually feel like they're not being regarded as special and they just want to feel special on that certain day. There are so many different reasons, and I definitely think I could relate to some of them. Regardless, this year I decided I was not going to let that affect me anymore. I was tired of it. So I decided to do something about it, and that's what this video really is. It is me saying I am going to give myself a spa. I'm going to treat myself to a spa where I can always come in this room and escape certain things that stress me out. So far, I have been loving this. My family did such a wonderful job for my birthday with just making me feel special, on top of just me trying to do this for myself. So just let me know. That's my transparent story. Let me know in the comments if you have ever felt this way or if you can relate. And now I'm just doing some last minute cleaning up before I get ready to show you my tour of how I organize the drawers and the cabinets and the bathroom. Here I have all of my skincare, lip care, nail care, hair care, or at least most of it in this cabinet. I absolutely love this room. It is so peaceful. I don't know. It's my favorite room now in the house. Come in, I light a candle, and I just forget about any type of worries. I can pray, I can meditate, I can do it all in this room. I love it. And now, don't laugh. It was wash day, so I don't have as many towels there, but this is how I have organized our linen closet. Let me know also in the comments if this is something that you have done. Have you created a spa oasis in your bathroom, or is there a different room that you go to when you want peace? So let me know in the comments. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you got some value, please subscribe, like the video, and share it with a friend. And I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.